Let me explain in advance the wiring method for the ECB1 GNP electrical control box. First, we prepare a power cable. Feed the two flexible wires of the power cable through the waterproof connector into the input terminal of the circuit breaker. Then, connect the output terminal of the circuit breaker to the input terminal of the power supply end in the control box, which are terminals number 5 and 6, the hard plastic ones. After connecting the wires, we can connect the temperature sensor probe. Insert the temperature sensor probe through the input end of the smaller waterproof connector. Lead the temperature sensor to pins 1 and 2 on the circuit board. At this point, the temperature sensor connector is already in place. Next, we'll connect the wiring for the compressor and the four-way valve. Here, we'll use 2 light bulbs to simulate the compressor and the four-way valve. Connect the 2 wires of the compressor to pins 3 and 4 on the control board. After that, connect the 2 wires of the four-way valve to pins 7 and 8 on the circuit board. With this, the wiring is complete. Next, I'll explain the operating instructions for the ECB1 GNP electrical control box. First, turn on the circuit breaker of the ECB1 GNP electrical control box after all the wiring is properly connected. At this point, the dashboard will display the current temperature detected by the temperature sensor as well as the time below. If we want to set a temperature range for switching between cooling and heating, for example from 7 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius, we can set the control temperature to 10 degrees Celsius and the control hysteresis to 3 degrees Celsius. First, we press the Set button. The temperature that appears on the panel at this time is the set temperature. You can use the up and down buttons to adjust the set temperature value. We adjust it to 10 degrees. After setting it, wait for 10 seconds and it will automatically exit and save the 10 degree setting. Next, we set the control hysteresis. Press and hold the set button for 5 seconds until F1 appears. Then press set to enter the F1 parameter interface. Use the up and down buttons to set it to 3 degrees. Press set again and you can press the aux button to exit editing. And save the previously set parameters. In this way, you can achieve cooling and heating switching between 7 degrees and 13 degrees above zero.